Hi students of class 4. Today I will take one practical class of chapter 3. Everyone get ready with the book page number 39. The things I will show you in the computer. So let's start the class. This is the first question that we will do. Arun has typed the following text for his science project. Now he wants to make the following changes. Help Arun to do the same. This part I have already typed in the computer. So you will first type this in the computer, then these questions will be followed accordingly. So let's see how we are doing it. The thing is already typed in the computer. The first question after typing is, he has forgotten to give a heading. Insert a suitable heading at the top. This is the heading. After that, insert a blank line after the second sentence. This is the second sentence. After that, we will enter a blank line. For that, we will press the enter key once. Let's see how we are doing it. See, one line is inserted in between. Next, replace 3 with 3. This 3 will be replaced by the spelling. So first select it. Then from the keyboard write THREE. See, the 3 is replaced. In this way we can replace. Another way is, go to the Home tab, Editing group, click the Replace button. From there we have to find 3 and replace it by 3 and click Replace All. Done. Close the small window and see the 3 is replaced by the spelling. Next, cut the fourth sentence. The fourth sentence is this one. Select it, right click on it, click cut, then go at the end and again right click and click paste. See, the last line is pasted over here. After that, we have to save it. From the quick access toolbar, click save. A window will open. From here, click desktop and after that click save. Our file is saved in the desktop. Now question number 2. The paragraph I have already made it for you, the typing part. After typing, we have to make, delete the word and flossing from the second line. And flossing, first select it, then press delete. It is deleted. Type the word away instead of at bay in the third line. For that, click the replace and for that search away first and then replace it by at bay. At bay and then click Replace All. See, close the window and it is done. Next, delete es from the word illness. See, it is deleted. Delete the word and from the third line. From the third line, delete the word and, that means this one. So double click it and it will be selected and press delete. Then change the T to capital T in the next word. The small t of there will be, for that I am pressing the delete key once and then pressing the shift key and T, and the T is written as capital. This is the practical work of today. Now this thing, whatever I have shown it to you, please practice it at home. Those who have the computer. Those who don't have the computer, please go through the video and the steps properly. As the school will reopen, we will practice it in the practical class. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So today's HW work is to practice page 39 at home. So stay at home, stay healthy, finish your work on time, and bye-bye.